Hello grade 5 learners, how are you? Welcome to our today's lesson. This is an English session and we are going to discuss something interesting. Here we are dealing with tenses, and we understand tenses is a topic that we learn, and tenses are things or words that we use regularly, and tenses are divided in various categories. We have present tense, we have past tense, we have future tense. Present tense refers to now or tells us the action is happening now. We have past tense, which tells us an action was done, an action has already taken place. And we have the future tense, which tells us about tomorrow or action that will happen in time to come. Or rather, it tells us an action has not yet taken place. In this specific lesson, we are going to deal with future tense. Future tense in that we are going to use will and shall. Will and shall. Now, will and shall are helping verbs, and they are used when we are teaching, or rather when we are using future tense. When you use will and shall in a sentence, it tells us that the action you're referring to or the action in discussion is yet to happen. It has not taken place. Now, something I want you to understand is, as I've written here, future time refers to time to come, meaning it can be the next minute, the next day, the next year, a decade to come. So it's time to come. Future time refers to time to come. It shows that an action is yet to take place. We use shall and will to show an action has not taken place. That is what we are saying, it's yet to. Now we go to specifically shall. Shall as a helping verb is used with pronouns I and we. Shall is only used, mark the word only. Shall is only used with pronouns I and we. I and we. Remember, we say I refers to the first person. I. And then if it's me and someone else, we'll say we. I will dance in the casual day. If I'm referring to our class, I'll say we shall dance during the cultural festival. I shall and we shall. So mark the fact that we only use shall with the help with the pronoun I and we. Now I have examples that I've written here, and the first example reads, I shall write an invitation letter in the evening. I shall write an invitation letter in the evening. When shall I write the invitation letter? In the evening. Evening has not come. It's not evening yet. Evening will come. It's time to come. So this is future. And therefore, the helping verb that I've used here is shall. Is shall. So, number 2, I shall return the book on Monday. I shall return the book on Monday. Monday is yet. It's time that has not come. We are not yet into Monday. So, what will happen? When Monday comes, I'll return the book. So, the helping verb that we've used here is shall. And why am I saying it's a helping verb? Because